Hello guys, wanted to do a little introduction on this new YouTube page. I was if y'all came from the Instagram page, you know that I was just Instagram page on the NASCAR diecast stuff. So I wanted to expand the NASCAR diecast enthusiast into a YouTube page. This is just a little introduction on this channel. We'll be doing hunting reviews. I will do reviews on the NASCAR Authentics line, maybe a few Indy cars. We'll see how it goes with this channel. We'll do reviews, huntings, of course, and also unboxings with cars. Anytime we get a mail, a shipment in this channel, anything that I order. Also, I'll be doing what's it called? NASCAR talks, maybe on the weekends, talk about the race weekends. Also, stuff like that, just NASCAR related stuff. This is what this channel is going to be. It's mostly going to be about diecast, but all in all, it's going to be NASCAR related. I will be doing a Alex Bowman, the 2021 car that came out, the NASCAR Authentics line. That would be my first review. That probably would come out maybe Thursday night. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that. Appreciate the time. This is just a little introduction for this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.